Hey, how you doing? Justin here for another beginner play along for you. This time we're going to be checking out Dead Flowers by the Rolling Stones. This is a fantastic tune, one of my favorite Rolling Stones tunes. For those of you who don't know, I played in a Rolling Stones tribute band for a long time. I'm a big fan of the Rolling Stones. Kind of makes me cringe a little bit playing here with the MIDI drums because I'm used to playing it with really great musicians and it's a lot of fun. Actually, I usually used to play the acoustic guitar part. All of these things, it's important though for you to realize you can do it on acoustic guitar or electric guitar. It doesn't matter. I'm sticking with a nice clean sound. Okay, sometimes if you find that with your amp it gets a little bit gainy, just turn your volume back just a little bit. It'll help clean the sound up. I think that can be a pretty important part of doing this sort of thing. Always important to start real simple, just with a down strum on the chord change or at the beginning of the bar, and then gradually work in some other different strumming patterns. A tune like this as well, really nice to explore the embellishments that you got. So for the D chord, using D sus4, D sus2. For the A chord, A sus2, A sus4. The G chord, there's a few different variations that I might bump into along the way. Here we go, let's do this play along. really hope you enjoyed jamming along with that track. It's a great thing for beginners to be doing, to be playing along with the backing tracks, because the biggest hurdle that beginner guitar players have is their strumming and keeping the rhythm. And when you've got a backing track like that with nice simple chords and no like set rhythm that you have to play along to, it's really good for you. It'll really help you keep that hand moving all of the time. It'll help force your chord changes to catch up. But the big trick there is not to let your rhythm stop. Even if the chords go a bit fluffy, you just got to keep going. The band, the app won't stop for you. Okay, that's really, really, really valuable thing about using these kind of guitaraoke style backing tracks to play along with for beginner guitar players and more advanced guitar players too, actually, truth be told. So hope you enjoyed this track. There'll be plenty more over on the website. There'll be a link in the description for that as well. If you're over on YouTube, do subscribe to my channel. If you dig what I do, I really appreciate your support. I'll see you for plenty more very soon. Take care. Bye bye.